Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Carol the Diva. For today's video, I'm going to be reviewing a glueless wig from one of my favorite hair company, LUVME here. I'm sure you guys have heard of them. They have some of the best hair you could find on the market. With the hair, they sent me some goodies inside of this bag and I'm going to take them out and show them to you guys. First, I have this edge brush that they sent me. They also sent me this edge scarf that I could use to tie my edges down or my hair when I go to sleep. This is a pair of silver hoop earrings that they sent me also. This is a mirror, y'all, and I promise you this is one of the best things they sent me. Came in so handy when I went on my trip to Jamaica. It's in this gold color pouch. All you gotta do is slide it out and slide it back in. It has their name on the back of it and it also have their name on the pouch. This is the wig, guys. It's their 5x5 undetectable invisible lace glueless closure lace wig. So the lace that's on the wig on the front is pre-bleached and pre-plucked. It also has another piece of lace in the back that I will be removing. It comes with two clips in the sides, of course, for extra security because you're definitely going to need a little bit of security if you're not going to be gluing it down. And it also has this strap in the back that is adjustable that can also help with security for holding your wig onto your head. The strap can be removed if you want to remove it, just in case you want to glue it down. But of course, I kept my strap on it because I'm going glueless today. As you can see, I just put the wig on straight out of the box. I didn't do anything yet, and you could see the lace like disappear. You could notice the edges of the lace, of course, but the part that's right there in front of the wig, it's like literally disappear. So like I said, the wig came pre-plucked and pre-bleached, but I'm gonna go ahead and pluck it a little bit more because I want it to look more realistic. And this is very much optional. You really don't have to do this, but I am very precise, and so I feel like I just want to, have this pluck some more. If you look closely here, you can see that I have one side plucked and the other isn't, so I'm going to go ahead and pluck the other side. Now that I have them both plucked, I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace off of the wig. I'm trying to do this in real time, guys, because I want you to see how easy this wig is to put it on straight out of the box. You really don't have to do anything extra. You don't have to be an expert. This wig is ready to wear as soon as you get it in your hand. To cut the lace off, I'm doing it in a zigzag motion, as you can see here, and this method, it helps to keep it, more undetectable and invisible. Okay guys, so now that I cut it off, I'm lifting it to show you guys that it's not glued down, but it's so hard to detect the lace. The stocking cap that I'm wearing under it is very noticeable though, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and take it back off and add some foundation onto the stocking cap, and this will, make everything come together. I'm gonna go ahead and use some wax stick on it, and this is from Edge Effect. This is gonna help to lay down, the hair around the parting much better. And then I'm also gonna use my hot comb over it to help to get it how I want it. To do this, you can also use mousse if you like, but I like to use the wax stick most of the time, especially if it's not like a really tight curly hair. I also rub some of it onto my hand and then all over the hair, as you can see here. I feel like this helps with the flyaway hair that sometimes happen with these hair. Now I'm just gonna go over the hair around the parting and around the edges with the hot comb, and this is gonna help to keep it laying nice and flat and look more natural. This is definitely optional, but I would recommend it just because I want my hair to lay a certain way. So this is the reason why I'm really doing this. Now I'm gonna add some curls in it, and I'm gonna just do the front of it to frame my face just because the hair is already curly, but the front of it, you know, right next to my face is not curled how I want it or how I would like it. So I'm just gonna curl it going away from my face just to give it a really nice look. And for this part, I'm only gonna be curling about 3 pieces on each sides in the front, and that's it. Okay, I'm done curling both sides in the front. I'm not gonna brush them out just yet. I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup first before I do that, and then I will be back with the finished look for you guys, so stay tuned. This is it, guys. I am feeling stinking cute. I feel like everything came out looking so good. My makeup, my hair, my outfit. I am so here for this whole entire look. The length of this hair is 18 inches. I can't remember if I mentioned that earlier, but I feel like the length is so perfect. It's bouncy, it's flowing, it's just doing what it's supposed to be doing, it's giving what it's supposed to be giving. So I am so in love with this unit right now. The fact that I did not have to glue it on is just everything. I'm gonna lift it up, show you guys. There's no glue to it. It is just sitting on my head like it should. And I am so in love with it. I do recommend this hair for you guys, so definitely make sure you click the link down in the description box to take you straight to it, because I promise you guys that you're gonna love it, especially if you are a person that have to get up every day and get ready, you know, fix your hair and all of that stuff. This is a simple alternative to it, because you could just put it on, take it off when you get home, and the next day same thing, put it on, take it off again when you get home ready to go to bed. Make sure to use my code when you shop on their website for this unit or any other unit that they may have up there, and get a discount on your entire purchase throughout the website. If you have any question, please ask them down below. I will get back to them as soon as I possibly can. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. Also, if this is your first time on my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!